Hello. If you found us online and filled out the request an estimate form on our website at azlawns.com, I just want to take you through the AMS client experience so you know what to expect after requesting an estimate. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. We can now send you a confirmed 2-week, 4-week, or even weekly landscape maintenance estimate without ever going on site to your property. We can do this by using our online tools to get your lot size, and based off your lot size, we can send you an estimate usually within an hour during our business hours when we get this information from you. Now, if your property needs caught up since the last time it was serviced, we can even give you a ballpark price based off your lot size as well. And we can confirm that price when the crew is on site to do the work. Now, if you want a firm price before we ever come out, all that we ask of you is to send us a couple pictures of both your front and backyard, and we can send you a firm cleanup estimate before we're ever on site. Now, to summarize, all we need is your physical address, so we can use our online tools to get your lot size, your daytime phone number, in case we have any questions at all, your email address, so we can send you the bid in writing so you clearly understand what's included in the service, and current pictures of your property if you have the ability to do so. All our estimates are explained in writing, so there's no surprises and you know exactly what's included in the service. All our work comes with 100% money back satisfaction guarantee. And we also ask that you check out our online reviews on Yelp, Google, and even Facebook. Once again, my name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. Be sure to check out our website at azlawns.com and follow us on social media wherever you enjoy your content.